I'm Tom Johnson, Thomas Johnson, Antique Furniture Restoration in Gorham, Maine. You know, it was in April of 2011 that we published our first video. And I'm taking the time now to thank you, all our subscribers, all our loyal fans, all the connections I've made all over the world. None of it I ever could have imagined. You know, for a few years, we made all our videos with this little Canon SureShot camera. And my goal was to make them as short as possible. Well, things changed. People demanded more detail. Now, 10 years later, we've published 200 videos, and some of the more popular ones are an hour long. So, here's to another 10 years. I hope those videos look pretty good. What do you think? Yeah, good girl.